third party versus you. What does your partner feel about you or the third party? And welcome to today's reading, guys. This is going to be a reading where we draw the cards for your person's feeling towards third party and you, and this is going to be a comparison what your person does when they feel about third party and when they feel about you. Okay, okay, so guys, I'm gonna draw 3 cards for you, and we are gonna draw 3 cards from this deck when we are talking about your partner's feelings. So this is going to be what they feel about you. So we are gonna draw your cards first. Okay, thank you, Divine God. Thank you for giving us this reading, me and the collective also. So I am going to be the reader and I'm going to read it for you. So enjoy your reading while you're sipping on your cup of coffee, tea, or you're doing something and you're watching this reading. So welcome on this particular reading. Any of you who wants to take a personal reading, contact me through WhatsApp. The number is given in the description box. And guys, while we are checking about your person's feelings, we are also gonna check if they are gonna take any action towards you also at the end of the video. Okay, Holy Divine God, please guide me what their person feels about them, what your person feel about you. Okay, okay, what your person feels about you. This is going to be a divine reading. Okay, so I am picking 3 cards for you. So what your person feels about you, we have picked 3 cards from this deck. Okay, and what your person feels about the third party. Now I'm gonna take the cards from this deck. Okay, what your person feels about the third party. Okay, what your person feels about the third party. 1 card and 2 cards. Okay, thank you, Divine. Okay, so let's pick the person, your person, what they feel about you. We have the Hermit, we have 10 of Pentacles, and we have Son of Swords. Okay, I just feel like your person feels that you have, they have hurt you a lot. Your person feels like they have hurt you a lot. They feels like that you're single and you're working towards your money. They also feel like they want to approach you. This is 10 of Pentacles card because they feel like you have a good reputation, your family has a good reputation, and but you are single. So your person feels like that you are single. This is coming as the Hermit card. Okay, single and you're very, very solid who you are. Okay, so here your person wishes to take an action towards you. Your person also feels like that you have taken a lot on yourself, on your body, on your soul when it comes to relationships. So I feel like your person feels guilty about how they treated you, and they have some kind of guilty conscience coming on for what they have behaved in the past. Now let me just see what your person feels with the third party. Okay, there is 5 of Pentacles with the third party. Okay, Emperor card with the third party and the Chariot card. Oh my God, oh my God, you are not gonna believe this. So all of my readings, there is some kind of character that I, as a tarot card reader, that comes up when I connect with my collective. So that always shows in my readings, and this is 5-5 confirmation. And guys, I am telling you, this person does not want to be with the third party. This person does not want to be with the third party. This person feels like, oh my god, they literally want to leave the third party. They literally want to leave the third party. And this is a Chariot card. Also, your person is having, very strong, I feel like this person has responsibilities towards third party. I feel like something is not making sense. They do not talk to third party much about their feelings. So intimacy is not just about romantic relationships, I always tell you, but your person does not feel intimacy with the third party. They can't openly express their feelings with third party. Here I feel like your person has some kind of problem with, yes, there is this very strong thing that is coming with the intimacy with the third party. Look at that. I feel like your person has to control third party. Your person has to say something negative to the third party. Sometimes they are not really okay with them. Okay. And we have the Chariot card, which is telling me that, see, there is something about your person. When they are with the third party, they feel like controlling. So they become this different person who has a need to control things. So this is what they feel about third party. But with you, they feel like, they can be with you, and they can be like alone when they are not with you. So something with your thoughts, I feel like your person is so much in your thoughts that they don't have a feeling towards talking to someone. So this is 7-7 confirmation. Your person also feels like that they can spend their time in thinking about you, and they don't need to talk to anyone like friends or something. They also feel like they receive good reputation with you, right? So this 10 of Pentacles card is more like they want to approach you and they want to start things with you again. This is Son of Swords, which means that, they're coming to you. They're coming to you. So their higher soul, which is called the higher self, always wants to come to you. And this is something very, very strong. Let me just see what Divine has to say about this particular person. Like what Divine has done, is Divine opening any doors for you with this person? What is going to happen? This is 8 and 8, which is like coming to me strong. Okay, let's see if Divine wants to give you anything that can clear things up in your mind with this person. Okay, Divine, please give me a door that you're opening for my collective with this person. Okay, I'll take, okay, there are 4 cards. Okay, I'll take all the 4 cards. Okay, so the very first card that I received is Art of Life. So this is the door. If this door means anything to you, just look at the door. This is the door coming. The Divine door is opening for you. We have a blue star, blue door and a star, if you can see this. Okay, maybe this is reminding you of where, so this is coming to me as a past life card. Okay, this is a blue door that Divine is opening for you. There is no sacred light in the aura of an invisible life. Be bold in your skin, let your love dance inside. So yes, Divine wants to tell you that you, with this card, the Hermit, you are sitting in a space where you are, not talking to other people. Maybe where you are just inside your room, inside your personal space, and you're not talking to someone. This is coming to me as Divine is saying, open your doors. There is someone who wants to come to you, and you need to be receiving, you need to be in receiving energy. This person, your person, wants to come to you. So divine is saying that um, there is no sacred light in the aura of an invisible light. So means that you're sitting in a space where you are not being seen to other people, and be bold in your skin, okay, and let your love dance inside. So yes, with your person who wants to approach you, and exactly this reading is for you, okay. This person wants to approach you in public, okay. They think that you and they have something in the, you know, in the public, okay, and people know that you guys dated or you guys love each other. So this is more like everyone knows that you guys love each other, only you both don't know that you both love each other. So this is coming to me as you should let this person come to your life, okay. And God is also saying that open your doors, okay. Only then the divine light will come to you. You need to go out much, you need to go out. This is 1111. Be open, okay. This person wants to approach to you, okay. Now which is coming, so this next card, look at this next card. There is a door that is already open, okay. This is an open door already, and it is coming to me as bless this space. Your sacred space holds the soul to bear. Palo Santo or sage will clear the air. So wherever you are right now, I'm feeling like you are in the atmosphere where you're not talking to your person, where you have a lot of boundaries with your person. Also with the Hermit card, your person is correct about you. Somewhere you are sitting alone, somewhere you're very very alone. Some people really can cry about when they receive this message, because you're not supposed to be alone. You're not supposed to be caging your own self in your own atmosphere. So with divine's message, it is also coming that wherever you're sitting in your room, Palo Santo or sage or agarbatti or dhoop batti, whatever you use that, clear the air of your atmosphere, okay. Open your doors. In case your doors are closed, your windows are closed, open them. This is 1 2 3 4, and I think that you're attracting a lot in your life. You need to go out more often. You need to have a space of, you know, openness, okay. So something about your openness is coming, so be open, okay. Next we have sunset card. Look at that. This is a open door. So maybe in evenings you need to go out, and this with this person, I feel like this happened when you and this person used to meet. It was evening times or something with the evening. This is 1313 transformation. This sunset is bringing you some kind of transformation. I don't know why I'm receiving, but there is a so I'll tell you if I remember that, but the sunset has some kind of meaning. I'm getting a monument, okay, a red fort monument type, okay, I don't know, let's see. Sunset time here turns to release and unfurl. Old cords of pain fade as the sunlight burns, okay. Pass this card on. So with this card, there is a pass this card on. I feel like whenever there is a sunset, you need to release whatever this relationship gave you some kind of heartbreak, or there was some old cords, or maybe other people who you used to date, who you were friends with, they did not, you know, they were not very good within for you. This is 1414. So let those emotions go, release those emotions, and the sunlight, as the sunset is there, it will already give you that, you know, break free from those bonds which were not meant to be for you. So whenever there is a sunset timing, go out and look at the sunset happen, okay. It will be very very worth it for you. So with 3 cards, as the divine doors came, I'm still left with 1 more card. But you are supposed to go out, you're supposed to talk to other people, you're supposed to, you know, make things clear to other people, with your family, with your friends, that you're open and out, okay? And do not keep anything inside, and let it out. So something is telling me that your person really is someone who has a connection with you. This is 1515. Your person has a connection with you. With this Emperor card, your person is not okay without you. Maybe you guys need to clear things up. Maybe there is a time that divine makes both of you meet, because you need to go out, you need to get out of that, you know, that cage that you are sitting in probably right now, okay? And be free, okay? This is Anthony Scoll's card, okay? Look at that card, okay? This is a beautiful card, that divine door is opening up for you, okay? Maybe you recognize this door, I don't know. Maybe I'm feeling UK. If some, so let me know which country you're watching from, okay? I'm hearing UK, about this, London, UK, I don't know, Birmingham. I don't know if that sounds something to you, okay? If one of your person live there, I don't know. Let's see, Anthony's call. In thanks of my spirit safe and sound, all things that are lost so can be found. If you've lost something, this is so strong, guys. So let me tell you, this is connected to your reading first, but someone was asking something is like missing and they can't find their jewelry in the messages. I don't know. I read the comments. This person told me that Shobha Devakar, I think. Okay, so Shobha Devakar, this is also your card, and this is also this reading's collective's card, okay? In case you have lost something, you can find it. How? Tell yourself that I have angels protecting me, I am safe and sound, okay? You chant this right now with me, all of you, okay? Collective, I'm talking to you. So tell yourself that I thank you. Say this with me, I thank you. All my angels are protecting me. I am safe and sound. My spirit is safe and sound. All things that are lost so can be found. If you've lost your love, if you've lost this person in the materialism, this person can be found again. Your lost love can be found again. Whatever you lost is being found now, okay? So you are going to find your love, okay? This is coming in as divine door is opening for you, okay? All right. So this was your reading, guys. I'm gonna close this reading. A lot of guidance, lot of insights, and now you know how you feel, how your person feels, okay? I wish you all the best from my side. I close this reading. Now like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know which country you watch from. Let me know how did you like this reading, this particular reading. And any of you who wants to get your personal readings done, contact me through WhatsApp. Number you can find in the description box below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in your personal reading or in your next reading. Bye bye.